up, makers? My name is Luke. I love music, and using simple household materials, we can create our own instruments to explore the science of sound. So no matter what the weather is wherever you are today, we're gonna bring the rain and make our own rain stick.
The RAINSTICK is believed to have been invented by a group of indigenous people in northern Chile. They were made by hammering cactus spikes into dead cactus tubes and filling them with rocks. Whenever an object filters through a RAINSTICK, it bounces off whatever it is sifting through and produces a sound. Each tiny sound vibrates through the tube, creating a collective sound like rain. Supplies. You will need paper, a paper towel tube, a pencil, scissors, tape, a spatula or stick, tinfoil, rice, beans, small rocks or something like that, and a bowl. Step 1. Fold your piece of paper in half. Trace the bottom of a bowl onto the paper. Now trace the paper towel roll in the middle. Draw spokes around the inner circle. And finally cut out the outer circle and the spokes. Step 2. Put one cap on the end of the tube. Fold the spokes over the tube and tape it down. Step 3. Use a piece of tinfoil about the length of your tube. Fold the foil in half 4 times. Wrap the foil around a stick or spatula to create a spiral. Stretch it out to the length of your tube. Now place it in the tube, and repeat. You can experiment with different amounts of foil to see what works best. Step 4. Create a funnel with a piece of paper. Using a mixture of 2 materials creates a unique sound. Fill the tube about 1/10 of the way full. Later you can experiment with different amounts. Now tape your second cap on the end. And now we are ready to test. Finally, don't forget to decorate your RAINSTICK. Use colored pencils, markers, or colored paper to create a unique RAINSTICK that expresses your personality. Experiment. If you have more than one paper towel tube, combine multiple tubes together to create a longer RAINSTICK. The longer your rain stick, the longer it will take the material to travel through, producing a longer lasting sound.
Thanks for watching this video. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Don't forget to follow us on social media at @ITeachMakerBus and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you later, makers!